Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on BitTorrent. On a daily time frame chart, recently BitTorrent has broken out another falling wedge pattern. And during this rally after the breakout, the price line has broken out a quite significant resistance zone that starts from 108 and goes to 115. And previously, you can see that this resistance zone has been breaking as a resistance here. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a very strong support. And for several days, it has been working as a support. And after the breakdown here, on 6th of January 2024, it was again flipped into a very strong resistance. We got few rejections here and several rejections here as well. And finally, we have broken our this resistance. And so far, from this low to this high, it has rallied more than 185%. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you this huge breakout from this very huge falling wedge pattern as well. And you can see that from this low, when we were testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, it has rallied more than 511%. And right now it is starting to break out this quite long-term resistance of $0.0000167. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BitTorrent that I shared in the previous month of Feb 2024 with my members. And you can see that here I shared this move on 11th of Feb 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse Gardley pattern that BitTorrent formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then started a nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. Then we had a bigger pump and it pumped almost 125%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of BitTorrent. And first of all, let me show you this daily time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this wedge pattern. And finally here, after testing this quite strong support of 7.7, and in fact, the price line formed a double bottom at this support. Finally, the price line broke out the resistance of this wedge, and then we had a very nice, powerful pump. And during this rally, we have broken out this quite significant resistance zone. And in case of a retest, if the price line will drop down here, then now this time it can work as a very strong support like previously it had been working as a resistance here, and support here as well. Same as like that, and this time it can work as a strong support. Right now you can see that after breaking out this long-term resistance of 167, the price line is again breaking down this support while retesting the previous resistance as a support. It is breaking it down, and on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see still, it is starting to break out this level of 167 as a resistance. Previously, this level had been breaking as a very strong support here back in the month of Feb 2022, and now it is breaking as a resistance. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, even after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance of 167. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, you can see that we have broken out this resistance of the wedge here in the month of October 2023. And the target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $0.00025 to $0.00003. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.